Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is check your headphones. So try and test them with another device to make sure that they're working. And if you're using an adapter, then inspect the charging port for any damage or dirt inside of it. So after you check that out, what you guys can do is restart your phone. So hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now let's click restart and tap again to restart the phone. So I'll see you guys once the phone is completely restarted. So now after the restart, what you guys can do is try another pair of headphones. So for example, grab another pair and try and connect them to your phone. Now, if there's still some issues and there's still no sound from them, then try and inspect them also for issues. And what you guys can do next is check for software updates. So any new updates can fix the old glitches, and this one is considered a glitch. So any new update should fix it. So go over to settings, scroll down all the way until you see software update. Now click on download and install, and it will check automatically if you have the latest version of the software. As you guys can see, I do, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. Now after that, what you guys can do is check for hardware issues. So don't do that by yourself. Visit a service center for a checkup, and you will get a diagnosis made by a professional and not me. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.